Good morning, children. Myself Poonam Seth. Today we are going to study the lesson 1 of class 2, Computer and Electronic Device. In this lesson, these are the following topics which we will discuss in this lesson. The topic 1 is features of a computer. Second topic is difference between a computer and a human beings. Third, functions of computer. Then advantages and disadvantages of computer. So let's start chapter with me. There are so many machines which we see and use every day, like a television, a CD player, a mobile phone, etc. All these are electronic machines. Children, here on this page you can see the pictures of electronic devices as television, mobile phone and CD player. So, computer is also an electronic device which is used to perform different types of tasks. Electronic means, children, the devices which are run by the help of electricity are called electronic devices. A computer is also an electronic device which is used to perform different types of tasks. It is used to play games, watch movies, send and receive messages, draw pictures, solve sums, etc. These are the things which we can do on computer. Children, these are the different types of work. So, computer is also called multitasking device. Now, the features of a computer. A computer never gets tired and works continuously. Because computer is a machine, it never gets tired and works continuously. A computer is very fast at work. It does big calculations in seconds. Computer is a fast device. It does calculations in a nanoseconds of a minute. A computer never commits a mistake. Children, it is a device, so it never commits a mistake. Computer manners: always sit in correct posture while working on the computer. Now move to the next page of this chapter. Fourth feature of a computer performs many functions simultaneously. So children, we can say that at a time computer works many functions. Now, differences between a computer and human beings. A computer and on the other side a human being. Computer calculates very fast, whereas human take more time to calculate. Computer works continuously. Humans need rest after work. Computer never makes a mistake. Humans commit mistakes. Computer has no feelings because it is a device, it is a machine, so computer has no feelings. Humans are full of emotions and feelings. Computer works on the instructions. Humans can think and take decisions on their own. Children, do you know the word computer has been derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. Now, the parts and functions of a computer. We know that the main parts of a computer are CPU, monitor, keyboard and mouse. Children, these are the main parts of computer. Without the missing of any part, we cannot perform the work on computer. But it has other parts also. Let's discuss with me. Printer is also a part of a computer. It is not a main part of a computer, but it's also a part of a computer. The function of this printer is it prints the work done on by the computer on paper. It means the printer enables you to print document that is shown on the monitor on a piece of paper. Okay, next other part of a computer system is speakers and headphones. These help you to hear recorded songs, voice, speech and sounds in a computer. Next part is scanner. Scanner is used to scan your pictures and documents to put them into the computer. Children, you can see the picture of these devices also. Next, CD, hard disk and pen drives. These three devices are used to store information. First is CD. CD is kept in the CD drive which is fixed inside the CPU box. Children, you can see the place where we can keep the CD. Next, pen drive. You can see the picture of pen drive. It looks like this. Pen drive is put in the USB port which is fixed inside the CPU box. Hard disk is fixed inside the CPU box. You can see the picture of hard disk also. Now, next part is UPS. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. Children, as I told you that computer is an electronic device, it needs electricity to run. So when electricity goes, that time this UPS works and it keeps the computer on for some time when the electricity goes off. Now, do you know, earlier floppy disk was used instead of a CD or a pen drive to store work. Children, CD and pen drive are invented later. Earlier, floppy disk was there to store the information or work on the floppy disk from the computer. It has less capacity. CD and pen drives has more capacity than the floppy disk. Now, advantages of a computer. Computer has made a very vital impact on society. It has changed the way of life. The use of computer technology has affected every field of life. People are using computers to perform different tasks quickly and easily in various fields. Children, this is the bloom of computer only, that in this time when there is a corona and children are and people are sitting at home, still they are performing their work while sitting at home because of only computers. People are using computers to perform different tasks quickly and easily in various fields. The use of computers makes different tasks easier. It also saves time and effort and reduces the overall cost to complete a particular task. Task means work. Many organizations are using computers for keeping the records of their customers. Banks are using computers for maintaining accounts. Children, you can see in each and every field where there you go nowadays, you see computers. Banks are using computers for maintaining accounts and managing financial transactions. The banks are also providing the facility of online banking. People are using computers for paying their bills, managing their home budgets, or simply taking a break and watching a movie. You can see that online payments are done by the help of computers nowadays. And taking a break and watching a movie, listening to songs or playing computer games, this can be done on computer. Online services like Skype or social media websites are used for communication and information sharing purposes. The major advantages of using computer are given below. Above were the also advantages, and here the advantages are written in the points. These are the 5 main points by which advantages of computers will be clarified very clearly. Number 1, computer is a very fast device, means it works very fast. Second, computer reduces the cost of all data related operations. Third, it is capable of performing calculations on. Third point on the next page. It is capable of performing calculations on very large amount of data. Means large amount of data can be solved by the computer. It can store large amount of data. As many as work you can store in computer. We can also use computers for drawing, presentations, playing games, etc. Now, disadvantages of computer. Whereas there are so many advantages of computer, here some disadvantages are also. So these are the points. One by one I will read. You listen. Number 1. A computer cannot take any decision on its own. it is fully dependent on human instructions. Means if we have to say, we will say that computer is computer does many things, but all these works are done with the help of human, because human gives instructions to computer, then only computer works. Second, it causes harm to health and environment. If we use computer for long time or mobiles we use for long time, it affects health and environment. Third point, there is always a risk of virus attack. It can be ruined by the virus. Fourth point, it reduces the need of manual work and increases unemployment in society. Fifth, the improper and prolonged use of computer can result in injuries or disorders of hands, wrists, elbows, eyes, neck and back. Some people use the computer for negative activities. They hack the credit card numbers of others and misuse them, or they can steal important data from big organizations. So children, to avoid these problems, you should save your computer with the password. So with this we are completing this chapter, and in the next class you will get the PDF of exercise of lesson 1. Till that, bye everybody. You read once again chapter completely yourself and understand the meaning of this chapter again. You listen this video to understand the meaning of the chapter. Bye everybody.